Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 7 healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss to help you lose weight fast, and at the same time they are winter specific as well. The recipes are gonna be super easy for you to follow and very effective for weight loss, and you can enjoy all your delicious options for breakfast and still lose weight. That's the goal of this entire video. Recently my lots of clients followed these recipes for their weight loss and they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss to help you lose weight fast easily. Starting with our first option for healthy breakfast idea is, of course, for all the poha lovers out there. Now if you want to have poha for your breakfast, but the goal here is to lose weight, you always need to make sure that you incorporate lots and lots of vegetables to it and very less poha. The recipe is yet again here. So in a pan, I'm taking some mustard oil here, allowing it to heat some time. At the same time, I'll be adding lots of peanuts into it. Good amount of fats and at the same time very high in protein as well. Roast them well for at least 2 minutes. When the color changes to golden brown, just take it out and keep it aside. Now in the same oil, I'm adding some mustard seeds. Let it sputter for at least 2 seconds, and at the same time I'm adding here some ginger and chilies chopped. You can add some curry leaves as well if it's available to you. Then I'm adding some chopped onions to this, cooking it for approximately 2 minutes and giving it some golden color. To this I'll be adding my chopped capsicum. These are very finely chopped, allowing it to cook very well. And then to this I'm adding some chopped potatoes as well. These are finely chopped potatoes. And to this then I'm adding some peas. And the final touch to this I'm adding grated beetroot as well. It gives a good amount of iron to the poha, and at the same time very beautiful color as well. Adding in all the spices as per your own preference, and then I'm adding to this poha. Now you can see that I'm adding very little poha to it. Now the key to this fiber rich poha is adding more of the veggies and less poha, that is less carbs and more fiber rich veggies to this. And then I'm adding to this my roasted peanuts, and a delicious high protein and high iron poha is ready. Proceeding towards our second option for healthy breakfast idea is, of course, it has to be a smoothie, because we all love having fruits in the breakfast itself, and it's very important for us to consume all the fruit benefits in the morning to help you avoid any kind of blood sugar spikes later in the day, and also to give you a good boost in the energy in the morning. I am talking about apple peanut butter banana smoothie, or you can have any of these smoothie recipes as well, whatever is mentioned on my channel. There are lots and lots of recipes which are seasonally available with the fruits, and also are super yum to prepare as well. You can check out below all the recipes that you can follow for smoothies, and at the same time they are very nutritious and low in carbs as well. Now let's proceed towards our third option for healthy breakfast ideas. When it comes to breakfast, sandwiches are one option which everybody craves for. So I am talking about healthy breakfast sandwich options, and recipes are yet again up on my channel. Now I am talking about banana peanut butter sandwich, or you can have club sandwich which is grilled as well, or you can have spinach corn sandwich. Spinach corn sandwich in winter season tastes yum and is also very easily available in the season as well. Spinach is very readily and fresh available. You can use it for this season and also prepare a good sandwich out of it. And the next option is paneer sandwich, high in protein and also a great way to incorporate paneer in your diet. Here is the complete recipe of all these sandwiches out there, which requires hardly 10 minutes to prepare this recipe, and also they're warm in nature and yummy as well. Keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day as well, and great for weight loss too. Proceeding towards our next option, that is fourth option for healthy breakfast idea. It has to be, of course, Chila. Now I have 3 Chila recipes on my channel, which is besan ka Chila, or you can even have oats zucchini Chila, or you can have oats banana pancake. Now these recipes taste yum in each and every manner, and for breakfast they are super amazing as they are gluten-free in nature and also are very yummy to prepare. These recipes will keep you fuller for the longer time of the day as well, and incorporate lots and lots of vegetables to it which are seasonally available. Like as you can see in besan Chila, I'm adding here lots and lots of bell peppers because they are of course seasonally available and taste yum in each and every manner. Bell pepper is approximately 0 carb veggie, and also is great for your skin benefits as well. Clear your guts very quickly. Or you can see in oats Chila, I'm adding here lots of zucchini. So there are ways to incorporate veggies to your Chila. You can also follow the recipe of oats banana peanut butter pancake, which is again very easy to prepare and also is great for kids also because they would love having this pancake every single day, and it's gluten-free in nature and also super yummy. Proceeding towards our fifth option for healthy breakfast idea, and this recipe is for all my parantha lovers out there. Now I am talking about methi parantha, or you can even call it a misi roti, which used here 2 tablespoons of gluten-free oats flour, 1 tablespoon of besan and 1 tablespoon of normal wheat flour. Along with that, I'm adding here ginger, green chilies chopped, onion finely chopped, lots of methi leaves fresh, and at the same time lots of coriander as well. Spices according to taste, and all you have to do is just knead the dough with little water. The dough is prepared and all you have to do is simply prepare rotis, and the key here is to not fry it. Just when it's on plate, add 1 teaspoon of ghee, that is desi ghee over it. Tastes amazing in each and every manner. Now let's proceed towards our next option for healthy breakfast idea is oatmeal with fruits. Now first, why oatmeal with fruits? Because it is gluten-free in nature. Second, it is very warming in nature, and also for postpartum weight loss or people suffering from PCOD, PCOS or thyroid, or for lactating mothers, it's a very wonderful option for breakfast which produces more milk supply and also is great for weight loss as well. Now I'm giving you the recipe of oatmeal with fruits, which is super easy to prepare. You can even prepare it in microwave, or you can even simply have it with just adding milk to oats and adding lots and lots of fruits, seeds and nuts over it. It's again a very healthy option for weight loss, but yet a very fulfilling one. You will not feel hungry for at least 4 to 5 hours after having or consuming this breakfast option for your weight loss journey. And now the last option is for all the eggetarians out there. Now whoever or can have eggs, they should definitely contain or have eggs for their breakfast, and the reason behind it is because it is super high in protein, very low in carbs, and also provides great strength and immunity to the body. And in the morning itself, you feel super energetic having this breakfast option. Eggs you can have in 2 forms. The first form has to be boiled eggs. You can have 2 to 3 boiled eggs. Along with that, you can have a cup of green tea, tea or coffee as per your own preference, or you can even have 1 toast along with it. Second option for eggs recipe is you can have it in a veggie omelette form, in which you can add lots and lots of vegetables of your own choice, be it spinach, corn, onion, mushrooms, bell peppers, whatever is seasonally available with you, and load it up with vegetables and add 2 egg whites to it. Your delicious high protein yet very high fuller breakfast is ready to have for your weight loss. These are the 7 healthy breakfast ideas that you can opt for your weight loss to help you lose weight fast, and also is very easy to prepare as well. If you want personalized or customized diet plan for me, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin the journey like all my clients did, and welcome the new year with a bang. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this, or if you have any queries. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, client transformations, and lots of tips and tricks for weight loss. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.